So how to create a iSCSI virtual disk on HCI. So basically it's like this. First you need to create an iSCSI server. Okay, click here and then the target name will be input by default, and then you need to create the chat password and reconfirm the password. After that you create the iSCSI virtual disk. So input the name. The disk size, let's put 10 gigabyte. And here you can set up the initiator. The initiator here means the node that can access the storage. So basically it's like you can specify a certain node that has the permission to access this node, or you can allow any servers to access the storage. Let's put it as any initiator, and then you can allow multiple initiators to connect concurrently. Alright, and then you can see the progress of this virtual disk creation. Okay, it's done here, and then you can edit it if you want. Maybe you want to expand this storage, then you just put another figure here in the disk size. And then let's go to node. And on the node, how to add the iSCSI server to a certain node. It should be here, iSCSI servers, and then you add an iSCSI server. The address, IP address here is the cluster IP address. Here is 5.98, and then you have to do the authentication. This is a one-way authentication. That means you need to authenticate this iSCSI server. Input the username and password, then you can detect the target. After detect the target, you need to authenticate the device. That means you need to authenticate the node that is connected to the storage. Again, it's the same account name and password for the iSCSI server we already set up in the previous page. Click Save. And then you see here the iSCSI server has already been added. So you can add data store, right? You can see the virtual disk has already appeared right here. So click this virtual disk and you can attach multiple nodes to this virtual disk. Then those nodes can use this virtual disk as shared storage. Okay, maybe you want to use this storage as a backup storage. I use this virtual disk as backup storage. Then put the data store name, and you can select which node you want this data store to be used by. Okay, here we'll select all the nodes here in the cluster, and then you have to input the the password of the super administrator to confirm this operation. Great. Then all the setup is done, and you can see the progress right here. The backup storage, which is the virtual disk of iSCSI virtual disk, is being added to those nodes in the cluster. You can view the detail of this operation. Okay, it's already here. As you can see here, the backup storage is already up and running. Okay. Okay, it's completed. And you can check out the storage on the home page. Okay, you can see here is the big storage pool, and this is the backup storage pool that we just created using the iSCSI virtual disk functionality. And you can see since I have already attached this storage to all the 3 nodes in the cluster, you can check out here in the specific node page, like here. If I select this 106 node and then I select storage, as you can see here, it has backup storage. So this is a very good feature for backup and for shared storage for other physical nodes or other virtual machines. Another great feature to eliminate dedicated storage array.